Welcome to J Dude's Review. Today I'm going to be reviewing Great Lakes Championship Wrestling Blizzard Brawl 2022. The GLCW heavyweight title match between Vampiro and Shotgun Tony Gunn, get it? Was not great but pretty good, and at least they tried. And the same goes for a Mordecai Mike C match. And yes, that is the GLCW you're thinking of. The third bout between Moose and Eric Redbeard was a hard-hitting, fast and furious house fight, even with the gimmicky replay ending. Seriously, I thought I was watching, or at least playing, a game from WWF No Mercy on the N64. You have to see what I'm talking about. The women's title match with ODB as a guest referee between Lena Gray and Tiffany N was a fierce, down and dirty, back and forth game of chess with real knights, despite the dirty as dirty dog ending / title change. The 5-way #1 contenders match between TW3, Cash Flow, Drew Hernandez, Jordan Cross, and Kay Jacobs was fun and fast-paced as riding any roller coaster at Mount Olympus. And if you've been to a theme park, you know what I'm talking about. The 6th bout between Roshki Brown and JJ so I don't know how to pronounce your name, was a solid David and Goliath contest. The heavyweight title match between Backwoods Brown and Gangrel, yes, the Gangrel you're thinking of, was also not great but pretty good, despite the dirty as you-know-who ending. You-know-who. The 10-man tag team main event between Team CY and EC3, Potter, Jacob Batu, Luke K, and Sadra. CYN stands for Control Your Narrative, by the way. Against Team Fanny Packs, Al Snow, D'Lo Brown, Doug Basham, Dustin Jackson, and Carl Hero, was a heart-pounding, nail-biting, seesaw, and fun contest with a nice mix of styles to boot. Fun as riding the Meteor Coaster at Little America. I give this event a 7.5 out of 10, 7.5 out of 10. And beyond better than WWE Starrcade 2019.